Light, easy to handle, effective. The handgun is the ideal weapon for both defensive and offensive close-quarter man-to-man combat fighting.
Have you ever played a first-person shooter game? Maybe watched a movie about war, or just a movie with firearms in general? Chances are, you've unknowingly seen the 1911. Maybe it was Pulp Fiction, Forrest Gump, maybe John Wick. It's also been used in over 100 video games, so you might have seen it there. Maybe Resident Evil. The 100-year-old gun that forgot to be obsolete.